Okay guys, it's time to check out the speeds of both Galaxy S5 and the S6 with the Android 6.0.1 update. So I installed it fresh on both phones and they are not rooted. So let's go ahead and boot them up at the same time. And obviously the S6 is superior when it comes to specs wise. So I'm doing this just for fun, you know, to show you guys that how the Galaxy S5 will stack up against the S6 with the new 6.0.1 update. And let's see here. Okay, Galaxy S6 faster when it comes to booting up, so you can see the difference, not that much, like 1 or 2 seconds, so pretty impressive stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a quick apps opening test, and starting off from Subway Surfer in 3, 2, 1, go. And of course, same version installed. Okay. So obviously, Exynos 7 octa-core, 3 GB of RAM on the S6 versus Snapdragon 801. So you're gonna get obviously a better performance. But yeah, I mean, the S5 is definitely not a slow phone, that's for sure. Next off is Temple Run 2. Here we go. And of course, I'm starting off with the games because this will test off the true multitasking power of both phones, you know. And let's see here. Okay, faster on the Galaxy S6. Pretty cool. But again, you can see the difference is not that much of a huge. So still, Galaxy S5 is a pretty dope phone, pretty usable phone, you know. Play Store. And, well, that is actually pretty equal. I think start loading apps, thumbnails, a little bit faster on the S5. So let's check out settings. Wow, you can see the speed on the S6, definitely faster. And I'm really impressed by the Galaxy S6 also, you know. Might make a video, special video about this marshmallow, you know, comparing it with the S7 also. Gallery, again, faster on the S7. Respond faster to my touch. Okay, so next off is Gun Fu 2. Here we go. And you can see just a tad bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy S6. Let's go back to the home screen and let's open up what you call Instagram. Here we go. And wow, that was pretty similar. No difference there. Full latest feed. So let's play a similar video on these two phones and see which one will be faster. Here we go. Okay, Galaxy S5 faster. Interesting stuff. I'm just gonna go back. So yeah, I mean, the S5 does have some impressive stuff on its sleeve, and obviously the S6 is the better one when it comes to specs. But you can see the difference there with the marshmallow. Let's open up clock. So it feels like slightly faster on the Galaxy S6. So last application will be camera. Here we go. And here you can see faster with the S6 here. And you can also see that the S5, even with the marshmallow, still using that old school camera UI, which was really difficult to use. Now it has a much more better, much more easier to use camera UI. So I'm just gonna go back. Alright, time for some internet action, and then we're gonna take a look at multitasking. So I'm gonna be loading some similar websites. So starting off from Yahoo, here we go. And let's see here. And if I'm not wrong, the Galaxy as actually both are pretty much similar. It was pretty close, by the way. So let's go back. Pretty similar. WWE.com, here we go. And that was pretty much similar, you know. I think the S6 was slightly faster, maybe. So next off is gsmarena.com. I'm just gonna hit go. And let's see. Faster on the Galaxy S6 slightly. I mean, both were equal on the website, but the S6 started loading the thumbnail first. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna hit go, and let's see. And again, both were similar on the website, but the S6 was slightly faster with loading up the thumbnails, but not that much of a big deal of a difference, you know. I've seen that most of these tests here, they are actually pretty much neck and neck, you know. The S6 is definitely faster, obviously, but again, the S5, it improved a lot, and I'm happy that that it got the 6.0.1 update, and I think this might be the last update for this phone, might be. Who knows, but of course the rooting community at XDA, they will be updating this phone to the latest version, of course, via custom ROM. So let's go ahead and do a quick little multitasking test or RAM management test. This is the truth, okay? A lot of people wants to know if the Marshmallow has improved the multitasking performance of the S6 or not. So starting off with the Subway Surfer, and there we go, refresh on both phones. And that's why I loaded the games first, because it's gonna be so difficult for these phones to open them up, you know. That is the whole reason why I started with the games first. So Temple Run, and here you can see Galaxy S6 showing its speed of improvement. And let's go back and load up. What else? We do got settings. Okay, again a refresh on the S5, but no refresh with the S6. We can also try opening up gallery. Again a refresh on the S5. Of course, you can't expect that much of a good RAM management on the S5. Look at that, Galaxy S6. Just one app was closed, which was the Subway Surfer, and the rest of them are pretty much open in the background. We can also open up Play Store. Okay, seems to be pretty much okay with both phones. Seems to be a slight refresh there. Instagram, and of course they refresh the feed. YouTube, and there you go, a big difference on the S5 versus S6. There was a refresh on the S5. Clock, and again a refresh. So no point in continuing this test. Of course, the Galaxy S6 is the winner, but again, all you S5 users, you should be happy that you got the update. The Galaxy S6, pretty cool stuff. I definitely can say without a doubt that this phone has improved multitasking experience with the Marshmallow. And do let me know what type of more speed test you want to see, you know, if S5 versus S7 or S5 versus iPhone 6, whatever, just comment below and I will make that video for you guys. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.